Here is how to create Skrill. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to create and open your Skrill account from anywhere in the world. I will also be taking you through how to create your Skrill and do your Skrill verification without funding your account, because Skrill will always require you to fund your account before you do your account verification. The problem is that if you fund the account and you couldn't verify the account, the money you've deposited will be locked in and you won't be able to collect it. So it is very important you watch this video to the end to know exactly how I got my account verified without funding the account first. I will take you through that towards the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. It will help many people to know how to create and verify their Skrill account worldwide. Thank you so much for doing that for me. All you need to do is to click sign up. You can see register. You fill this form. So you put in your name, your last name, your country, your currency. I'm choosing USD, that is US dollar, your email address, your password. You can decide on any currency of your choice. So you scroll down and click register. It's giving me an instruction to verify my email address. So I need to go to my email to check the email Skrill has sent to me. You can see Skrill confirm registration. Hi John, please confirm your email address before logging into Skrill. You click confirm. So you can see log into your Skrill account. This is after confirmation. You can see how simple it is to create Skrill account. I'm inside Skrill account already. So this is my name. You can see welcome to Skrill, pay online, buy and sell crypto, send money. So the first thing to do any of this is to click on any one of them. Look at it, pay online, add money to your wallet and pay on popular site. Just choose Skrill in the checkout. So you have to click get started to complete your registration, add money and ready to pay. So you click get started. This way you're supposed to fill in your name and address of your location. Ensure your name is exactly the way it is inside your international passport or driver license or any of your government ID card, because that will be used to conclude and verify your account. Before you can put this account to use, you must have an utility bill with the same address that is stated on your ID card. So you fill in your address, your zip code, your phone number. You're expected to see a code to confirm that you are the owner of the phone. You click next. So I've inputted the code sent to my phone. You click verify. Verification complete. To keep your account secure, create a 6-digit PIN. You may be asked to enter your PIN upon login. This will be used anytime you are doing transaction on your Skrill account. I've created my 6-digit PIN. Then you save. You can see the next thing is to add the source of your money. So you're expected to register your card. Click deposit now. So I'm using this as a test. So you click continue. I want to join the Skrill Net Loyalty Program. I accept its terms and conditions. You click confirm. You can see this is my name. The account balance is still at $0. Look at it. Your account is verified and your limit have increased. So I did verified the account without funding the account. How did I do that? What happened was that I tried to use one of my accounts to activate and deposit funds. Their system rejected it and instantly I was instructed to prove that I'm the owner of the card. I was instructed to do the necessary upload of my utility bill, address verification, scanning of my international passport. That was how I did everything, and by the time the result came back, this was the email I got. Look at it. Your Skrill account has been verified successfully. We have removed the limit on the total amount of money that you can spend, send and receive with your wallet. However, the different deposit and withdraw method have separate limit that you can see in your account. So that was what I did to activate and verify my Skrill account without funding the account. Skrill will always enforce you to fund your account before you can finally do the verification and activation of your Skrill account. As soon as your account is verified, you now become a Skriller and you can now pay online with your Skrill account. You can buy and sell crypto directly on your Skrill account. You can send money to any Skrill account user or bank account. But the first thing you need to do is to fund this your account. Just click deposit to attach your card. You put in your account details, expiry date, the CVV. Don't save it for security purpose because it will be safe on your case. Then you add the the account. As soon as you had the account, you follow the prompt, your account will be debited and the money will be here. I don't want to show that on the screen for security purpose. Thank you. I'll be able to successfully show you how to create Skrill and do your account verification without funding your Skrill account. You'll be seeing my subsequent videos on how to fund your Skrill account, companies and apps and third parties that you can work with online worldwide to get funds to this account. I'll be demonstrating how to cash out using your Skrill account. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Please like this video so a lot of people can see how to create Skrill and get their account verified without funding their account. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. Bye for now.